Hello everyone, it's your Ozkin Helty. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button and like this video right now. Please share with your loved ones and introduce Dr. John to others. I'll continue to deliver only the best health information. Did you know there's one food on Earth that never spoils? It's considered humanity's first food from nature, so precious that ancient Romans called it the dew of the gods fallen from the sky. Today's star is the sweet and nutritious honey. Honey is made by bees from the nectar of flowering plants and their enzymes, creating not just sugar but also amino acids, vitamins, minerals like iron and zinc, and antioxidants. Besides being a natural sweetener, honey is full of anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties and is especially known for its immune-boosting benefits. There are over 320 types of honey worldwide, varying depending on the flowers the bees visit. These include acacia, canola, chestnut, and manuka honey, as well as wildflower and mixed flower honey. To produce just 1 kilogram of honey, bees must visit 5,600,000 flowers, making us truly grateful to the bees for this helpful gift. But did you know that even this beneficial honey can be harmful to your health when eaten with certain foods? So let's find out the 3 worst food pairings for cancer and dementia prevention, and the 3 best food pairings that can help extend our lifespan healthily. The 3 worst food pairings with honey. 1. Soy products, tofu and soy milk. Many people think adding sweet honey to soy milk and tofu is good for health, but you shouldn't do that. Soy products like soy milk have a significantly higher protein content than milk. Honey, besides sugar, contains organic acids. The organic acids in honey and the protein in soy milk can react and form a precipitate, making the protein-rich soy milk and honey combination useless. Moreover, soy is considered a cold food which helps remove heat from the body, clashing with honey's hot nature which gathers heat inside. This combination can cause digestive problems, so it's best not to pair honey with soy products. 2. Tannin-rich foods, black tea, green tea, and unripe persimmons. Foods and drinks rich in tannins such as black tea, green tea, or unripe persimmons should not be consumed with honey. Tannins, belonging to the polyphenol family, are antioxidants that help eliminate free radicals in the body, prevent cellular aging, and cleanse waste from our blood vessels. However, when iron in honey meets tannins, it forms an indigestible compound that prevents absorption in the body. So, consuming honey with tannin-rich foods can nullify their nutritional benefits and may make digestion more difficult. Consume them separately to fully benefit from each of their nutritional properties. 3. Onions. Onion honey pickles may seem beneficial, but consuming onions and honey together is strongly discouraged. Onions contain a valuable compound called allyl sulfide, which can cause gas formation in the body. When consumed with honey, this combination can lead to severe abdominal bloating and chronic indigestion. Additionally, it may even adversely affect your eyesight. The vitamins and phytochemicals in onions inhibit the activity of the health-promoting enzymes in honey. Therefore, it is recommended to consume honey and onions separately. The 3 best food pairings with honey. 1. Milk. Instead of soy milk, it's great to pair honey with milk because milk has a lower protein content than soy milk, meaning less interaction with the organic acids in honey. The health benefits synergy is incredible. Many people suffer from insomnia these days, and this issue can be resolved by having warm milk with honey in the evening. Milk contains an amino acid called tryptophan, which changes into serotonin in our body, alleviating depression and helping you sleep deeply. Honey facilitates the full absorption of tryptophan, enhancing feelings of happiness and improving sleep health benefits. 2. Cinnamon. Replacing black or green tea with cinnamon honey tea can turn it into a supreme health elixir. Honey contains vitamins and minerals that boost immunity and protect our body from colds and viruses. It also contains propolis, a natural antibiotic substance that acts as an antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and anti-cancer agent. When honey is combined with cinnamon, the antioxidants in cinnamon enhance the anti-inflammatory effects of honey and reduce inflammation levels in the blood vessels. This combination aids in blood circulation and can alleviate joint pain or muscle aches. Radish. Radishes in autumn and winter are super good for you, and eating them with honey makes your lungs and throat stronger, helping you breathe easier. The spicy taste of radishes is due to cinnamic acid, which helps make your throat stronger and loosens up phlegm. Radishes are also full of vitamin C, which is important for keeping your immune system working well. Eating them with honey makes an amazing combo, enhancing both taste and health benefits. You can mix radish and honey together to make a kind of tea or juice, which is a powerful way to boost your immune system and get rid of coughs and phlegm. Let's summarize one last time. Avoid consuming honey with soy-based foods like tofu and soy milk. Instead, pair it with milk. Don't mix honey with tannin-rich foods like persimmons or black tea. Enjoy honey with cinnamon instead. Finally, avoid pairing honey with onions. It's better to consume it with radishes. How does that sound? I hope you can take good care of your health by wisely choosing the best food combinations with honey. Thank you so much for spending time with me. If you found today's video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like, and do share it with your precious family and friends. I'll always pray for your health and happiness. This has been your Dr. John. Thank you.